Welcome back to Seizing Adventure. In today's episode, we are traversing the white winter wonderland known as Central Oregon. And we're actually headed up to a mountain to ski right now. But first, we must stop.
Snowboard. So like Steven said, we're going to hit the slopes. We're going to snowboard. And then tomorrow we might try to snowshoe, maybe hit up a hot springs if we can find one that's open.
So if you're into that sort of thing, stick around to the end of the video. Heck yeah. Alright.
So how's the ski trip going so far, Steven?
It's all not the plague.
You look scary. Yeah.
Did you say 70s?
50s. I wish.
So we got our snowshoes and we're ready to hit the trail. I think somebody's a little bit more ready than me though.
Snowshoeing.
Is it like your body has to heat up the water?
I guess so.
What a beautiful day.
I don't know.
What just?
It's gone. Alright, let's skip a rock.
It'd be funny if I hit my camera. Aw, kisses.
Okay, go on. These things are definitely a tripping hazard, but you know, a little bit.
want to see the picture. Bigger balls. Oh my god. Lick, lick, lick.
So this is the ultimate day out on the mountain. We started the day off playing with the dogs.
Hiked 4.5 miles in the snow.
And now we're gonna shred it up out here on the mountain. Who's hyped to be on the mountain?
Steven is.
I'm hyped to be on the mountain. It's all fun and games until somebody shits their pants.
Is that what's next for you?
Look at this guy.
Shall we go?
Yeah. On the road again.